Hey guys, today I'm going to replace the bottom of this garage door seal. So this kind, the existing kind, is fastened with nails, so it doesn't have a rail system, so you can buy different kinds. This one just gets fastened right to it with nails, which is how the, or screws, how the existing one is. So the first thing I need to do is pull on this to get the garage door loose, because that'll allow me to access it right here. Just put it right at a good working height, so you can see the reason I need to replace it. It's all dry rotted and all that. It's old. So I'll go along here, just pull the old stuff out, try and pop these nails. So it's gonna take a little while, but well worth it. And you know, the critters won't get in, and it'll keep it a little bit more, you know, keep the breeze out, more heat efficient. This is just going to be tear out. It's not exactly going to be pretty. Just going to rip the old one off. Comes off really easy. Go along there with a hammer. Get those up with a little pry bar. Get it all cleaned up too. Dirt out of there. Nice new surface. Here's the tools I'm using to remove these nails. Okay, I got all the nails removed. Now I'm just going to stretch out the other piece. All right, the piece I bought here is 16 feet. That's pretty sweet. This thing, I didn't even realize it. Down in the middle here was fasteners for it. So they're black, they're nice, match, they're coated. That's awesome. And here's what they look like. They're nails, but they got some traction on there, so you can't get it out. Happy about that. Just kind of working my way along. A little off with that one, but that's all right. Okay, so now towards the end, and it's obviously going to overlap a little bit, right? Don't want that. So I'm going to mark it and then just cut it with the scissors right to the end there. There we go, simple installation of that garage door weather stripping.